Today we're just doing a quick run up to Tinchi Tamba Parklands in Brisbane. Just wanted to do a quick little series of places that are really great to go to that you may or may not have heard of in Brisbane. So let's go check it out. As you can see here, it's in between the Horton Highway and the Gympie Arterial Road. So basically the North Coast Highway and the Horton Highway that goes up to Redcliffe. Quite an interesting place to get into. It's a few little sort of back streets to get in there, so that's probably why a lot of people have not actually heard of it. Parklands itself, as you can see here, there's plenty of parking and it's really nice area to have a little drive through. Plenty of grassed area that's mown and well manicured, and there's barbecue areas and bathrooms that are on site as well. Quite a lot here for, you know, if you just want to have a rest, to relax, and also some recreation as well, being that it's right on the North Pine River. It's really easy to drop the kayak in on the boat ramp, and there's plenty of places you can kayak to. You can actually get out to the Redcliffe Peninsula. Plenty to do around here. There's lots of really nice grassed areas for kids to play on. There's also a boardwalk that goes through the area. There's plenty of kangaroos that are around the place, not just early in the morning but during the day as well. There's as it's a little pocket of native bushland, all the kangaroos are all contained in there, so yeah, you'll see them quite often. Good place to spend the day and a place that's definitely well worth checking out.